My name is Ellie Dudley, and I'm the legal affairs correspondent with the Australian newspaper, coming to you from the Latrobe Valley Courthouse. A courthouse in regional Victoria, home to possibly the biggest criminal trial of this year. That is, of course, the criminal trial of Erin Patterson, the Leongatha mushroom cook. Now, Erin Patterson this week was found guilty of murdering 3 of her estranged husband's relatives and attempting to murder a 4th with a poisonous beef Wellington laced with Deathcat mushrooms at a lunch at her home in mid-2023. The prosecution, during trial, said she foraged for Deathcat mushrooms at 2 sites in the Gippsland region. We thought we'd go there and see what we could find. We've heard throughout this trial that sightings of Deathcat mushrooms were posted to the iNaturalist website in the months leading up to the fatal beef Wellington lunch. Now, one of those sightings was made in Lock, a town not too far from Leongatha where Erin Patterson lived. And those Deathcat mushrooms were spotted by a woman called Christine at a memorial oval. Christine gave evidence during the trial that she spotted those Deathcat mushrooms while she was at the park with her grandson, and she removed them all quite quickly. Now, we're on our way now to that memorial oval. Now, we've arrived at the Lock Memorial Oval and Campground, and I don't think I expected us to find mushrooms quite this quickly. I found mushrooms just on the edge of the oval here, and I can show you them right here. They've got sort of a whitish, brownish coloured cap, quite smooth. You can see they're covered in grass because they were found growing in grass just on the edge of the oval. Underneath, you can see that they've got pink coloured gills and they've got a whitish coloured stem, sort of whitish, a bit brown as well. I'm here at Neielson Street in Outram, our second and final stop of the day. And this is where mycologist Tom May said that he spotted Deathcat mushrooms in the months leading up to the beef Wellington lunch. The court has heard that Tom May took photos of those Deathcat mushrooms and posted those photos and their location to the iNaturalist website in the lead up to the lunch. Now, Tom May gave evidence during the trial, and as part of his evidence, he was cross-examined on the characteristics of Deathcat mushrooms, and he was shown photos of Deathcat mushroom lookalikes. Ultimately, he said, it was difficult to be 100% definitive about whether or not a mushroom was a Deathcat mushroom without examining those mushrooms in person. Now, within minutes of arriving at Neielson Street, we've spotted more mushrooms, just as we did at the Lock Memorial Oval.